Write the equation for the function that has a graph with the given characteristics. And we have the shape of the square root of x is first reflected across the x-axis. Then it's shifted right 3 units. And finally, it is shifted up 7 units. So again, the order in which you describe and list your transformations is important. So our starting point, our parent function, our basic graph, is the square root of x. So our parent function is y, or f of x, is equal to the square root of x. So our first transformation is the reflection across the x-axis. So we know by definition this means that we're going to have a negative on the outside of our function. So we have minus f of x, which will be equal to minus the square root of x. The next transformation needed is a shift right of 3 units. So here we go, thinking about our definitions. We have y is equal to minus f of x, and because this is shifting right 3 units, we have minus 3. So plugging this in, this will be minus the square root of x minus 3. And again, a great way to check this is to think about the x-intercept. Where is this crossing the x-axis? Anytime you're doing a horizontal shift, it's good to check. So if we think about the x-intercept, x minus 3 is equal to 0. And if we go ahead here and add 3 to both sides of our equation, we see that we're correct. We end up with x is equal to positive 3, which indicates a shift right of 3 units. And last but not least here, the graph is finally shifted up 7 units. So by definition, this will become y is equal to minus f of x minus 3, and we're shifting up 7 units. So that will be plus 7. And plugging this into the previous step, we have minus the square root of x minus 3 plus 7. And so this is our beautiful final answer.